2018 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.